All right guys, so now we're working on installing the end wall kit. And this is going to be the opening with our 36-inch storm door. So what we've done is we've laid our measuring tape from the outside of the ground stake to the outside of the ground stake at 16 feet. Now once you've laid your measuring tape out to your measurement of the width of the house, this one being 16, we found 8 foot is the center of our house. So we've come over 18.5 inches in either direction from center. Now for a 36-inch storm door, this will give you a 1/2 inch in either direction, so that when we use the 1 1/4 inch ground stake material, or the end wall material, that's going to eat up that extra space so that your screen door fits in there nice and tight. All right guys, so for our end wall kits here, what we've got, it's gonna be a 7-foot vertical, and it's gonna come with a 1-foot extension piece. It's gonna have a 1-inch splice already tech screwed to one part of it. You'll run that in and you'll set it with 2 tech screws to the upright. It's gonna give us 8 feet. So we're gonna take our ground stake that we set, we cut the excess off the top that kind of mushrooms out when you beat on it. You'll just take your upright and you'll go right over the top of that. And then when we get up to the top here, we're gonna slide the tension band inside. We'll make sure our tech screws are not facing the outside. So you'll see we're pre-drilled at the top. We'll get the tension band slid in, put a nut and bolt through that, and that's gonna secure our end walls. Okay. Now guys, in your end wall kit, you're gonna have to get your lumber. And what we use is a 2x6. Now, they've already cut and measured to fit in between your ground stake for your bow and your support for your door. So you're gonna fit these flush with your other board and your end wall here. You don't want this sticking out on the front. You want that to be flush with the ground stakes and with your bracing over here on the other side. We're gonna use L brackets on the top of the board, and we're gonna put screws in the wood, and then we're gonna put tech screws into the pipe. Again, for the wood, we're gonna use wood screws. For the metal, we're gonna use the tech screws.